I am Heejung Bae, CEO of Chemist Lab, a leading software company in Korea and a trusted business partner of HCLSoftware in the region. Chemist Lab works with many of Korea's top companies, including POSCO, the nation's #1 steel manufacturer, LG Electronics, the most well-known electronics company in Korea, and Daesang Group, a traditional food company that leads Korean food culture. Chemist Lab has developed various products and technologies based on Domino. One of them is our own solution called K-Portal Archiving, a real-time and intelligent archiving system currently used by over 400,000 users in Korea. The core technologies behind this system, such as text and image data cleansing and annotation, are also being used to build high-quality datasets for KGPT, our in-house generative AI solution. KGPT is an enterprise-grade generative AI solution developed in-house by Chemist Lab. It connects with commercial AI services like ChatGPT for cloud-based use, and it also supports on-premise deployment using LLMs, such as Meta's Llama. The architecture is modular, so it's easy to adapt to different environments. KGPT integrates with HCL's newly announced Domino IQ to enhance the AI experience for enterprise users. It provides summarization and search functions for applications built on Domino, such as email, calendars, and approval workflows. It also includes AI-powered templates that support various business departments like marketing, HR, and finance. Additional features include an AI notebook and real-time research tools. Now, let me show you a few of the key features in action. One of the main features of KGPT is email summarization. It works with Domino IQ to quickly summarize unread emails or emails from a specific time period. Next is the Approval Document Assistant. For example, if you want to request a vacation, you simply select the dates and the KGPT will create the approval request for you. The web research feature combines internal data with public internet sources. It delivers a well-organized research summary based on the topic you ask for. KGPT can also answer questions using internal company documents managed by each team or department. You can ask questions to one document set or across multiple teams. Even your personal documents or files can be used with the My Data feature to get personalized answers. The RAG feature used here is not currently included in Domino IQ. It's a function provided by KGPT itself. However, it is planned to be added in a future official release or in a fixed pack, so you will be able to use it soon. KGPT also includes powerful features for meeting management. You can book meeting rooms, record your meetings, automatically generate meeting minutes, and send them via email or chat. In addition to this, KGPT offers various personalized AI tools, such as the AI notebook, to help users work more efficiently. This is the screen where KGPT is connected to Domino IQ from the server where Domino IQ is installed. You can use the Domino IQ configuration DD to connect to either an internal or external LLM. In this example, we are showing a connection to an external LLM, ChatGPT. First, you register the model information and API key for ChatGPT. Then you can add the commands and prompts you want to use. The script screen you see here is a sample of the source code used in a Domino agent to connect with Domino IQ. As you may know, Domino is not only used for enterprise email, but also supports workflow management and stores a wide range of internal corporate data, such as bulletin boards and business applications. With the release of Domino IQ, Domino customers can now enhance their AI experience by leveraging both internal and external data. This also lays the foundation for running various LLM-based AI agents, creating a more intelligent and collaborative work environment. However, some enterprise customers are connected about the potential risk of internal data leakage. While it's possible to connect with commercial AI platforms like ChatGPT when needed, KGPT built on Domino IQ is fundamentally designed as a domain-specific GPT. This means it can deliver generative AI capabilities without exposing sensitive company data. In this sense, the launch of Domino IQ gives customers a powerful new option. At KMSLab, we are proud to partner with HCLSoftware to help Domino users take full advantage of generative AI and deliver the best possible collaboration experience in this new AI era.